Hello friends, I am Gopi Krishnan of BSc Information Technology from Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. My article is about Tesla, story behind the Tesla success. Evolution of Tesla. The US car market saturated the established automakers like Ford, Honda and Chevrolet company. But one company stands out from the mix, electric car market, Tesla Motors. Tesla and CEO Elon Musk gained notoriety in 2012 when it released its flagship car Model S1. Who is this Elon Musk? Elon Musk, born on July 20, 1971, is an entrepreneur and business magnate. He is the founder, CEO and chief engineer at SpaceX, early stage investor, CEO and product architect of Tesla with an estimated net worth of around 245 billion USDs as per March 22. The Tesla's cars into the market. Tesla's release positioned it one of the few successful independent automakers and the pioneer in electric car market. Notably, it also proved and hit when auto buyers Model S, a sleek luxury sedan, starts at 89,419 USDs, is ranked best in class in every category for electric sedans. When the Model S premiered in 2013, Tesla made headlines when trade press gave it ignorance. The electric plug-in car received a near perfect score of 99 out of 100 from customer reports, which also named it as the best car ever tested. King sale. In September 2014, the car hit all-time sales record in the US with 2,500 sold just in 1 month, and the Q1 2015 sales reached a new height at 10,030 sold. It is now considered a staple within the electric car stratosphere. As March 4, 2022, the company market capitalization was 909.6 USD. Tesla today. Tesla, as part of its success, continue to focus on creating electric cars and making electric vehicles, electric powertrain systems and components. As of 2021, the company has a network of 438 stores and galleries, 100 service centers and more than 30,000 superchargers charging portals in over 3,100 locations. One of the company's trademark is to focus on one product at a time. And while Tesla continues making the Model S, it is rolling out new models to expand its customer base. Other models include the less expensive Model 3 sedan, the SUV style Model X and the crossover Model Y. The Tesla Motors looking forward for the future. The electric car market is growing with luxury automakers like Mercedes-Benz and BMW jumping into the space. Analysts forecast that the total global sales of electric vehicles will be approximately 29.5% of all new car sales by 2030. As with anything, there are no graduates. The reality is that Tesla Motors has morphed from a startup to an established industry player. What does not change is its extraordinary story and its place as pioneer in founder of electronic cars. Thank you for the patience of listening for my article.